Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are going to look at how you can stream Premier Sports on your Amazon FireStick device from anywhere in the world. Premier Sports is a well-known UK and Ireland sports network that broadcasts top-tier events, including European football, motorsports, and ice hockey. In this guide, we will cover both the unofficial free setup method and the official paid method, along with simple troubleshooting steps to keep your stream smooth. Before we begin the setup, please keep in mind that streaming content across regions can sometimes present location restrictions or security risks. Using a reliable virtual private network will keep your connection secure and protected at all times. Now let us dive into the free method using a popular third-party application named TFix. Since this app is not hosted on the official Amazon store, we will need to prepare your FireStick for sideloading first. To do this, turn on your FireStick and navigate over to the Settings menu icon from the home screen. Scroll through the options and select My Fire TV. Enter the About menu so that we can reveal the developer privileges. Highlight the Fire TV Stick option and press the center selector button on your remote rapidly 7 times. Stop clicking once you see the prompt at the bottom stating that you are already a developer. Press the back button on your remote to return to the My Fire TV menu where the Developer Options setting is now visible. Click on Developer Options and locate the setting labeled Apps from Unknown Sources. Toggle Apps from Unknown Sources to the On position and confirm by selecting Turn On. With Developer Options enabled, return to the main FireStick home menu by tapping the Home button on your remote. Navigate over to the Find tab and select the search icon. Type Downloader using the on-screen keyboard and hit Search. Choose the orange Downloader app icon from the available store search results. Tap Get or Download to start installing the application. Wait a brief moment for the installation process to complete automatically. Tap Open to launch the Downloader app. Dismiss the initial update release notes by clicking OK. Accept the required media storage permissions by clicking OK once more. Now you are ready to get the streaming app. Highlight the central search bar field on the main screen of Downloader. Type in the download code 730116 or enter the web address www.livebytheunknown.com/downloads and press Go. Scroll down to the Sports Apps category and click on TFX to start downloading the installer file. Let the download bar finish downloading the installation file to your device storage. Select Install as soon as the prompt pops up on your screen. Select Done once the app finishes installing instead of opening it immediately. Click Delete to wipe the leftover installation package file and keep your FireStick storage clean. Click Delete a second time to permanently clear out the setup file. You are now ready to stream. Open your virtual private network app on your FireStick and connect to a recommended server region such as the United States or Hong Kong. Head back to your FireStick home screen and open your apps library. Scroll down and launch the newly installed TFix application. Choose the Sports tab located near the top section of the interface. Find Premier Sports inside the channel listings. Select the stream and start watching your favorite live sports events. Now let us go over the second approach, which is the official paid method through the Amazon App Store. If you are located outside the UK or Ireland, you will first need to change your Amazon region settings to a UK address and connect your network connection to a United Kingdom server location. Open your virtual private network software on your FireStick and connect directly to a United Kingdom server. Head over to the Amazon App Store search bar, type Premier Sports, and select it from the search suggestions. Tap the download button to begin downloading the official app onto your device. If the app does not show up in your local App Store search, use a web browser on your phone or computer to search for the app on the official Amazon website. Make sure you are signed into the correct Amazon account linked to your FireStick device. Click Deliver or Get App on the website listing to push the application directly to your FireStick over the cloud. Wait a few moments while your FireStick automatically receives and installs the app. Open the Premier Sports app directly from your FireStick apps library. Follow the on-screen QR code or website link to log into your active subscription account and enjoy full high-definition coverage. If you ever encounter playback glitches, freezing, or app crashes while watching live matches on your FireStick, There are a few practical fixes that will resolve the problem immediately. First, clear the app cache by going to Settings, selecting Applications, clicking Manage Installed Applications, selecting Premier Sports or TFX, and tapping Clear Cache. You can also close unused background applications using a task management tool or by force stopping apps in your settings. Another great option is to connect your FireStick to your router using a wired Ethernet adapter instead of relying on wireless internet. Manually adjusting your FireStick display resolution settings to 1080p rather than automatic settings can also help save bandwidth. Finally, you can perform a quick system restart by holding down the select and play buttons on your remote together for 5 seconds until the device reboots. Subscribe to TechVibes for more practical tech tutorials and FireStick guides every week. Thanks for watching.